Hey guys, good morning. Today I am filming a what I eat in a day college edition. Right now I'm about to go make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna make eggs and potatoes. Alright guys, so to make this breakfast, I start by adding oil to a heated pan, and then I cut up a potato, or a few if I'm using smaller ones. I either use regular potatoes like this, or I use like golden potatoes. And then I add the potatoes to my pan. I season it with whatever I'm feeling. Today it was garlic, salt, pepper, and this Italian herb seasoning. I crack into eggs and just scramble it until it's fully cooked. When the eggs are fully cooked, I add them to a plate, and I usually add hot sauce to mine. I just like spicy food, and there you go. Hey guys, so it is currently 2:20 right now, and I just got back from the gym, so I'm really hungry. And for lunch, I'm gonna make a sandwich. I honestly have a sandwich like every single day because they're just so good. I don't know why, but I'll tell you guys exactly what I put in it and everything. So I'm using Dave's Killer Bread, and then I'm using ham, provolone cheese, mayo, a little bit of pesto, and some avocado, and it's gonna be so good. Hey guys, it's like 4:30 right now, and I'm about to get a snack. I think I'm gonna have this leftover pasta that I made for dinner last night. It's like Trader Joe's pasta, and then I did Alfredo sauce and pesto and stuff. It's really good. Hey guys, so it's currently 6:50 and I'm gonna make dinner right now. I think I'm making like orange chicken and edamame from Trader Joe's. So it turns out that you have to defrost or thaw the edamame. So I'm just gonna make rice instead for my side, and I barely have any left. It's like not even a full cup, but I'm gonna try and make it still. Alright, so this orange chicken is from Trader Joe's. All I do is put the oil in the pan. I'm just following the instructions on the bag. Turn the heat up to medium, and then at the same time I'm cooking the rice, equal parts rice and water. Then I put the chicken in the heated oil. When it's about halfway done cooking, I just flip it and cook the other side of the chicken. And then I'm heating up the sauce that the chicken packet came with. Once I put everything on the plate, I just drizzle the sauce that it came with over it, and then it's all done.